Good afternoon, children. Today in our class we are going to learn lesson number 13. Lesson number 13, festival. So festival means what? We all think our favorite festivals means our festivals which we all celebrate. But the common festivals which we all language of people, all district, all states of people celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day. Yes, no children? Yes. So Independence Day and Republic Day we celebrate where? We celebrate in our school. Yes, we celebrate in our school. Before that, before one day only, in our school they all instruct us. Yes, they all instruct us and they all says, teachers they all what says, you all have to prepare a speech, you all have to bring some balloon, some flags and all. Teacher she used to guide you. Yes. Then what she says, while coming to the school you have to wear clean uniform. Which uniform? School uniforms. Okay. Yes. Then we reach to the school. Then the decoration will be very beautiful with colorful balloons, flowers. And when we start celebrating this Independence Day with the hoisting of flag, that time what happens? That time our teachers or our anchor, those are the student who comes and who do the anchor work, means who do all saying today our principal ma'am she are going to hoist the flag like that. And after that you people give speech, teachers they give a speech, and then we'll sing a national anthem and we salute our great leaders. Yes, no children? Yes. But and in another side, at our home, at our house, we invite all our friends, our relatives, our family members, family friends. Why we invite? We invite for to celebrate the festival with them. The festivals with them like birthday celebration, naming ceremony. Naming ceremony means what, children? When the baby borns, we have to call that baby names. No, do we call? So name ceremony means what? Namkaran. Okay, we say as a Namkaran in Kannada, or in English you can say naming ceremony. Okay, even Hindi also what we say Namkaran, like that we say. Yes, no? So the small baby when he borns and the parents they decide what names to call as the name. For that they give that function, naming ceremony and marriage function, Diwali, Christmas, Dasara, Onam, Pongal, Eid Fitr. Yes, so these all festivals we celebrate with whom? We celebrate with our family, friends, relatives, and we all meet together. On these days only we all meet together. We enjoy a lot, we have lots of fun, we play a lot, we share each and every things, or we share all about all things we share, and we keep that festival as a memorable festival. And whenever we want to see our friends or relatives, means we can't able to go suddenly. Yes, so we can memorize. We keep that photos, that videos, and what and all things we have enjoyed with them. That we can keep as a memorable things. We used to think, what happened in the school now because of the lockdown. We are not coming to school. Yes, but previous year we have enjoyed a lot with our friends in the school. No. Yes, we share lots of things, we share tiffins, but nowadays you people are having your lunch dinner with your families. You people miss your schools also, no children? Same to save our memorable things. We used to capture photos, videos and all. new. Yes, that's why we celebrate all these festival. Why we celebrate? We can meet our all close best friends, our relatives, our grandparents, our uncle, cousins, and all. We can meet together and we can enjoy our festivals. Okay, children. So say in our lesson also, a girl, she is celebrating her birthday party. How she is celebrating, we'll see now. Okay. Yes. So open page number 115, lesson number 13, festival. So participation in functions in your family and relatives. So we all have went to the functions, no, birthday party, and if our relative he has buy a new house, means we go for that ceremony, or one shop has been newly opened, means we go for that opening ceremony, or for engagement of a reception. Yes, we all go for these all functions, the children. Yes. So here, observe the following picture. Write the name of the celebration in this box. So here the celebration pictures are here. The celebration pictures are here. So you have to see that and you have to write the names. What celebration, what kind of functions are going here, that you have to write in this box. So what is going on here? All relatives, neighbors, family, friends, they all are gathering together. Why? For this baby naming ceremony. For Namkaran ceremony function, they have organized here. So what you have to write here? Naming ceremony. Naming ceremony. You have to write it in this box. Okay. Next here, what is going on here? The one boy's birthday celebration is going on. So the boy, he has invited all his neighbor friend, school friend, tuition friend. He has invited, and with them all with him all cousins, brother, sister, all family members are also are standing there to celebrate birthday party. So what you have to write here? Birthday celebration. Birthday celebration. Birthday celebration you can write. Next here, see, two couples are standing here. No, what is that? Marriage function. We go for a marriage function also, no, children? Yes, our uncle aunt marriage function, or our brother sisters marriage function, we go. We attend that. They invite us, no? So we all go with our family members. We all go with our family members. So what you have to write here? Marriage function. Marriage function, you have to write there. Okay. Now here, see the picture in the picture of the Rita's birthday and tell a story. Now here, where is Rita here? She is Rita. Yes, so her birthday. She has invited all her friends and her family members are also standing here to celebrate her birthday party, birthday celebration. Okay, so they all decorated to celebrate her birthday. They are decorated with colorful ribbons, colorful balloons, and very yummy, tasty cake also they have ordered. Yes, now Rita is standing. All their friends, they are giving gift. Wish you many more happy birthday, Rita. Wish you many more happy birthday. Wish you many more born birthday. Like that you people wish, no? Yes. So here also their family member and their friends, they giving gift to her. Next, she finished her birthday, and here the grandparents also came to bless her. God bless you, my dear grandchild. God bless you, my dear daughter, son. Like that our grandparents, they bless us, no? Yes. And here all their family members and their friends, they are having cake. They are having cake and snacks. After that, they are all organized dance performance for Rita. They have present dance with a beautiful song to the Rita. They are dancing for Rita. Okay. Next, what celebration are observed in your house? What is the celebration you have observed in your house, children? We have observed our Pongal, Dasara, Christmas, or marriage function, or what we shifted to a new house means we call all our relatives, all our family friends for the new house. We do pujas and all. Yes, and for Eid-ul Fitr, the Muslims, they all invite their family members and they hug each other and they wish each other. Yes, no? Yes, and in the Mahavir Jayanti and Gautam Buddha Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti and Gautam Buddha Jayanti means what, children? This Mahavir Jayanti means Mahavira, he born his birthday. So we celebrate Mahavira's birthday as a Mahavira Jayanti. Yes, Gautam Buddha's birthday also we celebrate as a Gautam Buddha Jayanti. Yes, no, children? Yes. So we have celebrated Pongal, Onam, Dussehra and Diwali. We have celebrated in our house. Which festival are celebrated in your house? We celebrate Diwali, Pongal, Onam. These are festivals we celebrate. Even Christmas also we celebrate at home. Yes. Tell two sentences about the festival or celebration that took place in your house. So, for example, Pongal. Pongal means what? That is the festival which is a New Year for the Tamil people. Which is a New Year for the Tamil people. So, they celebrate as a Pongal. Okay. Next, have you attended any celebration held in your friends or relatives' house? Have you attended, children? If you have attended means you have to write there what kind of functions you have attended. I have attended marriage functions, reception functions and birthday party functions I have attended. Like that you have to write there. Okay, name such celebration. What kind of celebrations we have went and we have attended? Birthday party functions or Christmas celebration. In our school also we have celebrated in previous year, no? Even Teachers' Day also we have celebrated, Children's Day we celebrated. Yes, and New Year also we have celebrated in our school. Yes? Yes. So observe the following picture. Do you know which festivals are there? Write their names in the space provided. So here every December, 25th December, what we celebrate in our school? We celebrate as a Christmas. Santa Claus. Santa Claus, he comes and he distributes his chocolate and gifts to children. Yes? Yes. So in our school also we celebrate Christmas. So you have to write here Christmas. And here every Diwali you get a Diwali holiday and we enjoy a lot by bursting crackers, having lots of sweet and we have lots of fun. We go for a trip with our family members. Yes, so you have to write here Diwali. Okay, next. The next is what, children? This is Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr means what, children? We can call as a Ramzan Eid or Eid-ul-Fitr we can call. Okay. Next, this is a lights is the festival of lights is Diwali. We during the Diwali festival we light the lamp, decorative lamps and design and decorative attractive lamps. We used to what we used to do? We used to attach. Yes, we used to decorate our house. Yes, and we used to light the lamp or diyas. Diya we used to keep on the corridor. Yes, and we decorate rangolis with the colorful flowers also and with the different colors also. Yes, Hindus celebrate this Diwali with pomp and show. All the members of family wear new clothes. They prepare variety of sweets and eat. lamps are light at home and crackers are burst. Yes. So during the Diwali festival, we burst the crackers and there will be so much of light decorations, and Mama she prepares different sweets. Yes, no, like jamun, rasgulla and all sweets, jalebi and all types of sweets Mama she prepares for us. Yes, no? Yes. Next, Eid Fitr, celebrated at the end of the Ramzan month, is an important festival of Muslims. This festival is celebrated after 1 month of fasting. All the members of family distribute sweets and greet each other. Yes, Eid Fitr means what, children? This is one of the important festivals for the Muslim people. Yes, during the when they will celebrate at the month of the end, means at the end of the month they will celebrate as a Ramzan Eid. They have the rojas, no children, for 1 month, that fasting. After finishing that one month fasting, they celebrate this Eid Fitr festivals. They celebrate this. Yes, they greet all their family members. They hug and they greet each other. They say Happy Eid Fitr, Happy Eid Fitr, Happy Ramzan Eid. Like that, they all wish each other. Yes, no children. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. It is celebrated with joy and happiness. They wear new dresses, distribute cakes and wish everyone Merry Christmas. Yes, the Christmas is why Christmas we celebrate on this December 25th. Our Jesus Christ he born, so we celebrate that happy day as a Christmas, and on that day we wear new dresses and we distribute sweets, cake we all distribute, and we cut cake also. Yes, no, and we enjoy a lot, and we wish everyone as a Merry Christmas, and we used to wish the children. Yes, next. Look at the following picture. Here put tick mark if you have participated in these functions. Yes. So if you have attended these functions, then you can put the tick mark. If you have attained naming ceremony, means you can put tick mark like this there. Or you have attended birthday party, you can put tick mark there. Or you have attended marriage function, you can put tick there. Okay, children? Yes. Next is, look at the following picture and write the name of the festival this picture represents. Yes. So, which festival is this, children? Is still one of our very favorite festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi. So what you have to write here? Ganesh Chaturthi. In this Ganesh Chaturthi, we bring our Ganesh idol and we decorate the separate place for the Ganesha to sit to keep the Ganesha idol, and we decorate, and each and every day we prepare any other sweets or special dishes or the favorite sweets of Ganesha like modak, laddu. These all we prepare. Yes, no? Yes. Next is, this is Eid festival of Muslims. Next is, this is Dussehra. Yes. So this Dussehra, in this Dussehra festivals, we all go for a trip, or we go for a temple. Yes, no? Yes, so you have to write here as a Dussehra. Next, which festival is this? Christmas. So you have to write that Christmas. Next, this is one of our favorite festival, that is Pongal. You have to write Pongal. Pongal is a new year for all Tamil peoples. Okay, next, which festival is this? This is also a Eid festival. Okay, so you have to write there Eid. Okay, next. What kind of festival is this, children? This is Mahavir Jayanti. So you have to write there Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir's birthday we celebrate. Mahavir's birthday we celebrate as a Mahavira Jayanti. Okay, next is Guru. Next is Gautam Buddha Jayanti. Gautam Buddha Jayanti, and the last is Guru Parak. Okay. This okay, that you have to write here Guru Parak. Say the name of the festival you celebrate in your school. How do you and your friends participate in school functions? Give the detail of a school function you like the most. So we have celebrated in our school which festival, children? We stand together in the ground, and what we celebrate with the flag. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. No, children? Yes, we celebrate Independence Day. We invite our chief guest by giving rose or bouquet. Yes, and our chief guest, he gives some speech, and he gives some suggestion, advice for us. Yes, and even our friends, they also participate in this Independence Day by giving speech, by singing songs, or by dancing also. We celebrate this Independence Day, and at last we sing national anthem and national anthem all together, and we salute our great leaders. Why we salute our great leaders, children? Because he gave all those great leaders gave us this freedom from the British people. So we celebrate Independence Day on that 15th August. We celebrate Independence Day. Okay, children, this is all you have to write it in the space. Okay. Next is color the pictures. So you have to color it all those pictures. Okay, this rangoli is there different designs, and you have to color it with the different colors. Here also you have to color it. Okay, children. Next is yes. So that's it. So I hope you all have understood this lesson on festival. So I'll come next with a new lesson. Thank you.